so juicy and red. B is for bear, who jumps on the bed. C is for cat, who dances around. D is for drum with the bouncy sound. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, who hops all day. G is for giraffe, tall as a tree. H is for hat that flies with a wee. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jet, zooming out of sight. K is for kangaroo, jump and spin. L is for lion with a royal grin. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for noodles with lots of cheese. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, waddling right. Q is for queen in a shiny crown. R is for robot, dancing upside down. S is for snake, sliding near. T is for tiger, giving a cheer. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for volcano, shaking the plane. W is for whale, splashing high. X is for x-ray, see through the sky. Y is for yacht, sailing so free. Z is for zebra, 1, 2, 3. Now you know your